Welcome to Help Me GMP. Today we're diving into a critical issue: the Windsor Framework and its impact on medicine supply across Great Britain and Northern Ireland. In this video we will cover what are the benefits, challenges, and most importantly, are there any risks to patients? So let's break it down. The Windsor Framework, agreed in early 2023, is a new arrangement between the UK and the EU that replaces parts of the Northern Ireland Protocol. It aims to address trade friction while maintaining peace in the region, and yes, it directly impacts the supply of medicines. The implementation date for the Windsor Framework was set for the 1st of January 2025, marking a significant shift in how medicines are regulated and supplied to Northern Ireland. Under this framework, medicines approved by the UK regulator, the MHRA, can flow freely from Great Britain into Northern Ireland without being subject to EU regulatory hurdles. This is a significant change from the previous protocol, which required full EU compliance for medicines entering Northern Ireland. Let us know in the comments how you think the Windsor Framework will impact the pharmaceutical industry. Let's start with the benefits. First, the Windsor Framework simplifies the regulatory landscape for pharmaceutical companies. Medicines destined for Northern Ireland no longer need dual regulatory approval. This reduces delays and costs for manufacturers. For marketing authorization holders, this means that medicines authorized by the MHRA can be supplied directly to Northern Ireland without additional EU marketing authorization. This streamlining ensures quicker access to essential medicines for patients in Northern Ireland and fosters a more unified UK market. Similarly, manufacturing and importation authorization holders benefit from reduced duplication. Batch testing and qualified person certification no longer need to comply with EU legislation for medicines supplied to Northern Ireland, saving both time and resources. But it's not all smooth sailing. One major challenge is that manufacturers now need to manage two regulatory regimes, one for the UK and another for the EU, where medicines are manufactured for both markets. This dual compliance can be resource-intensive for companies. MA and MIA holders serving both the EU and UK markets face complexities in ensuring compliance. For instance, while batch testing for Northern Ireland follows MHRA guidelines, medicines entering the EU still need to meet EU requirements. This duality could lead to increased operational costs and the need for more robust compliance systems to handle these parallel frameworks effectively. There is also now a requirement for all UK medicines to state UK only on the pack. This can be in the form of an additional label applied prior to certification for the first 12 months until artwork is updated. So, what about patients? Are there risks under the Windsor Framework? Potential risks include supply chain disruptions if manufacturers struggle to navigate dual systems. Any delay in approvals or distribution could impact the availability of critical medicines. For marketing authorization holders, divergence in labeling and packaging requirements between the UK and EU could cause confusion for healthcare providers and patients. Meanwhile, manufacturer and distributor authorization holders must carefully manage logistics to prevent supply interruptions and ensure consistent medicine quality. Despite these challenges, the Windsor Framework is a step forward in creating a workable solution for medicine supply across the UK. Collaboration between the UK and EU, along with clear guidance for the pharmaceutical industry, will be key to minimizing risks. MA and MIA holders must remain proactive, investing in systems to manage dual regulatory frameworks effectively. Patients and healthcare providers should also stay vigilant, reporting any issues promptly to ensure uninterrupted medicine availability. So to sum up, the Windsor Framework brings both opportunities and challenges. While it simplifies some aspects of medicine supply, it also introduces complexity that requires careful management. Ensuring patient safety and uninterrupted access to medicines must remain the top priority. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.